If you thought you had all the ukes you ever need, I've got one more for you. It's a resonator uke, made by, I don't know whether you can see that. No, you can't. Made by Regal. It's a nice old thing. It's got a nice, you can see that, engraving on the back, engraving on the sides, engraving on the front, and sounds great. They got a really unique sound. They're a cone. The sound goes obviously from the strings into the bridge saddle there, into a cone. It's like a speaker cone, and that bounces around inside the nickel brass or something body. I think it's a nickel brass, and comes out the sound holes. And it's called a resonator ukulele, and I've got this one for sale for $450, and it's great buying at that. They're hard to get, and I've got another one, otherwise I'd be keeping this one, so great bargain.